Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2023. General reading lang to, just take what resonates. Maari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, let's see. Gemini, ano ang energy ninyo for October? General energy nyo for October 2023. You have the Fool. Okay, so this is taking a risk. Maaring meron ding new beginning sa inyo. Meron kayong susubukan na mga bagong proyekto or anything new para sa inyo. Refreshing start, kumbaga. So, maari rin yung mga gusto nyong simulan, gawin, i-pursue. Meron tong malaking potential na maging successful in the future, lalo na kung may tiwala ka sa sarili mo na kaya mong mapagtagumpayan yon. You have also a desire to be more experimental, no? Ngayong October, can be sa relationship, can be sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. And let's see naman yung challenge ng mga Gemini. Ano yung challenge? The Hermit. Okay, ang challenge sa inyo is maaring medyo hindi kayo masyado makakapagbigay ng oras at panahon sa sarili ninyo. Yung privacy, no? Or yung me time. So I think mas maganda na i-schedule ninyo yung inyong mga activities para hindi kayo masyadong ma-burned out na kapag pagod, may time pa rin kayo to relax, to reflect, no, on your priorities and syempre for yourself. And this is also about your healing. Maaring ang challenge sa inyo is meron kayong mga iiwasan na i-deal, no, or harapin ngayong October dahil maaring hindi pa kayo ready. Pwedeng issue, problema with someone, or yung mga bagay na hindi nyo pa masolusyonan, iiwasan nyo munang harapin. Oo. So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity? The Emperor. Okay, you have the opportunity to be in control of your life, to bring structure, discipline, and also foundation sa buhay mo, no? This is also law and order. Maaring meron kang mga aayusing papers or mga documents, anything to do with legalities, no, ngayong October. So you have the opportunity to do that. And this is also planning. Maaring meron kang mga paplanuhin na mga bagong mga gagawin or path or mga goals mo before the year ends, no? So, ngayong October, aayusin mo na yan. And then, this is your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Gemini? You have the Moon. So, you are going to be blessed with intuition, instinct. Ayan. So, this is also about your emotions, dealing with your emotions. So, I think, yung kutob, no, yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, yung gut feel mo, is going to be very strong na alam mo agad if there is something wrong about a person or if there's something wrong sa isang situation para makakaiwas ka na kaagad. And some of you are going to deal with your emotions and also your dreams This is also about manifestation. So, it's better rin na mas maging focus ka doon sa mga gusto mong ma-achieve, mga goals mo, and i-check mo yung sarili mo if you are in alignment towards those goals. Nagagawa mo ba? Are you taking action? Ano na yung progress mo? Ganon. So, when it comes to your money, Ace of Cups, there might be a new source of income for you na kung saan matutuwa ka dun sa source of income na yon dahil you like doing it, no? Halimbawa, you like to create contents, and then mag-open up yung opportunity for you to create contents, and yung content na yon magpapasok sa'yo ng pera. Pwede rin tong yung passion mo, what you are passionate about, in connection sa yung talents and skills na pwede mong maging negosyo. Yes, so may beginning dito. So, pwedeng new source of income is going to come sa'yo. So, sa career naman, the Hierophant. Maaring may training ka sa trabaho. Meron ka opportunity to learn something new, or merong magme-mentor sa'yo para i-groom ka for a higher position in your career, in your job. And if you have a business, I think you are going to gain more knowledge and wisdom sa kung ano mang industriya yung business mo. So, new learnings for you sa career. Sa love naman, the Magician. So, there's a communication with someone. Maaring merong magpapapansin sa'yo. Oo, parang magpapakitang gilas. Oo, this can be your romantic partner or isang person na malapit sa'yo na may potential na maging seryosong relationship. But, be very careful then because sabi nga, there is more than meets the eye. Kasi pwedeng sa una, no, yung nakikita mo is maganda dito sa person na to, and then meron kang mga bagay na hindi nakikita sa taong to na pwedeng hindi mo pala gusto. So, that's why yung blessing mo is your instinct, your intuition. Iyan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng guidance, no? Or ng signs na if you are really dealing with someone na merong magandang intentions. Okay, so let's see what else, Gemini. Confident. Oh, you're going to be very confident. Merong messages coming through para sa'yo na magpapalakas ng iyong self-esteem. So, pwedeng merong interested sa'yo to work with you or to get to know you. Ayun. And also, may boundaries dito. So, I think itong opportunity na to, related yan dito sa The Emperor, which is about boundaries, bringing structure into your life, na hindi ka lang basta magpaplano. You're also going to set a goal na achievable para sa'yo. Kasi minsan nagsiset tayo ng goal na parang suntok sa buwan, no? So for you, alam mo yung realistic, and hindi mo rin naman pahihirapan yung sarili mo na i-achieve ang isang goal na sobrang hirap gawin at this time. Okay? So let's see. What else? Justice is coming. So this is karma. So kung merong mga nakagawa ng masama sa inyo or may nang agrabyado sa inyo, yung justice makukuha nyo na yan. And then paint the sun back into your sky. So the sun is about light, no, liwanag. So this is clarity. Maaring magkakaroon ka ng clarity sa mga decision making mo. And this is also about confidence, energy, power. So, mas magiging energetic ka ngayong October. Yes. And then, what else, Gemini? Pwedeng rin, yung iba sa inyo meron kayong babalikan na na creative arts na hobby, no? Kung dati gusto niyo mag-painting, mag-crafting, so babalikan niyo yan ngayong October. Romance is in the air. Oh my gosh. So, Gemini, meron talagang romantic connection yung iba sa inyo rito. So, maaring may new relationship coming in. If you are in a relationship, mas maaring magiging ano kayo ngayon? Very intimate. Oo. With your person. And then, honor and respect will come to you. So, yan. Meron kayong achievement na kayo ay i-recognize sa inyong galing. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.